Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see clinic management system using PHP and MySQL. What is this clinic management system? You have seen many clinics. So all these clinics can be managed using a software. So this is a project used to manage the clinic. In this project, you can maintain the patient's detail, appointments, maintain the employees, etc. Maintaining each and every appointment with a book is very difficult. If you maintain it with the help of computer, the maintenance will be easy and accurate. So here is a platform, you can use it to maintain the clinic. Let me show you the demo. Before seeing the demo, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Customization of the project is done according to the user need. The details are given in the description box. You can contact us. Now, let us see the demo. This is the home page. Here you can see home, appointment, login, help. And you can see about us, make an appointment, login now, about this website. All these things you can see. First, let me register and show you. So here is the registration for the new user. Click on register, give the new username, last name, password, confirm the password, contact details, click on register. Patient registered successfully. Patient ID is 118. So let me log in. Starting we saw the patient ID 118. Click on login. Here you can see the patient ID 118, patient name Rajesh MP, and you can see the home page, appointment. You can see the home page, appointment, login and help. Here you can see the patient account, patient ID, patient name, patient account, patient profile, change password, appointments, treatment details, lab reports and logout you have. This is the patient panel. So let me show you one by one. First one is patient account. This is the patient account. So next one is patient profile. If I click on patient profile, you can see the profile, name, last name, date of birth. I need to change it here. I'll just give a patient date of birth, gender, blood group. I am updating the detail, address, country, state, city and update profile. Record updated successfully. So now I have updated the patient profile. Next, changing the password. If you want to change a password, you need to enter the old password, give your new password, confirm your password, click on change password. The password will be changed. Next one is appointments. Here you can see appointment number, date and time, appointment date, appointment time, doctor name, comment, status and delete option you have. So since we have not placed any appointment, here nothing is displayed. Next one is treatment details. You have treatment number, appointment number, doctor name, treatment, what they have given, date and time you can see. Next one is lab test report. In lab test report you can see the test number, treatment number, lab assistant, test type, date, time, comment about the lab report you can see. Next one is appointment. So here if you want to make a appointment you can make. So here you can see the doctor name, specialization about the doctor. You can see the time when the doctor is available. Here is the appointment. Whichever the doctor appointment you need, you can click on make an appointment. Here you are going to give date of the appointment, Here I'll give the date for tomorrow. Comment. Click on make appointment. You need to select the timing. Click on continue. Here you can see appointment number, date and time, appointment date, appointment time, doctor name, comment, status is pending. This is pending because the doctor has to approve your appointment. That is done in admin panel where doctors are being added there and doctor will be updating the status. So this is how you are going to make an appointment. Here when you click on appointments, you can see the appointment for which doctor, date and time you can see. This is about the patient panel. You can see it here. Next we are going for admin panel. I am going to log in into the admin account. I gave the ID, password, click on login. Here you can see the admin panel. You can see the admin name. So these are the different options for admin account. First, admin homepage. This is the admin homepage. Next is admin profile. You have admin ID, name, contact detail, email ID, password. If you want to update any of the information, you can update it and click on update. Next one is appointments. So this is the appointment panel. Name of the doctor, date. So first I'll select a doctor, today's date, and search for an appointment. There is no appointment for that particular doctor. Next, I'll select a doctor, date, click on search. I'll get one appointment here. I have appointment number, patient name, doctor, date, appointment time, and comment I have. So this is the appointment for this particular doctor. So you can list out here according to the doctor list and date and time. If you click on search, you don't have any appointment for this particular doctor. If the doctor asks any information about his appointment, you can come here, select the doctor name, click on date, click on search, you'll get the appointment details. Next is patient report. These are the patient ID, patient name, date of birth, gender, email address, contact detail and address, blood group, and you can see the report here. Read mode. So here you can see the patient report, lab test report. I'll select 112 Mohandas, date of birth, email address, contact details, address and blood group is given. Now I'll click on read mode. Here I can get patient report, patient ID, patient name, treatment. This is the treatment number, doctor, fees, date, time, appointment ID, and you can see the lab test report. Here you can see the test ID, type of test done, lab fees, date, time and treatment ID. You can see it over here. This is how the patient report can be viewed. Next one is doctor. Here you can see doctor records. You can see the doctor ID, password, doctor name, specialization, qualification, contact detail, email address and view biodata. If you click on view biodata, you can view the biodata of the doctor. If you need to add a new doctor, click on add new doctor. This is the doctor ID. Give the password. confirm the password, name, middle name, last name, qualification, specialization, contact detail, email address, biodata, click on add. Here you can see doctor record inserted successfully. You can see the doctor ID, name, qualification, specialization, contact detail, email address and biodata. Click on back. Next is employee. So these are the employees other than doctors. So here you can see the employee ID, password, employee name, designation. You can see the receptionist, lab assistant, address, contact detail, email address, and you have action. If you want to add up a new employee, you can add it over here. You need to give the password, confirm the password, first name, middle name, last name, designation, address, contact detail, email address, and click on add. That particular employee will be added. Next you have salary. Here you can see the employee salary, employee ID, employee name, designation and salary you can see. Click on the salary. Now salary is generated. If you want to view the, here you can see the salary detail. Next one is expenses. Here you can see the expenses page, expense type, quantity, expenses amount, date, comment and action you can see. You can click on whichever the month you want and see the expense detail. So if you want to add up expense record, you can add expense type, quantity, expense amount, date and time, leave a comment, click on add. That expense will be added to the database. That you can view it over here. Next one is test type. So here you can see the test types. You need to select the test type, give the description, add the test type. If you want to add up a jaundice has a test type, click on jaundice, click the description, click on add. You can see the test type here. Next, prescription. Here you need to add the medicine, give the description, click on add. That particular medicine will be added and the description will be added over here. This is about the admin panel. I'll log out. I have successfully logged out. Next is doctor login. I'll give the doctor ID. Login ID and password. Here you can see the doctor's account. You can see the home page. This is the home page. Next is doctor profile. This is the doctor profile. If you want to update any of the field, change the field and click on update. That particular details will be updated. If you want to change the password, give your old password, give your new password, confirm the password, click on change password. It will be changed. Next one is appointment records. Here you can see the appointment record. Click on the date, click on search. If you have any appointments, the appointment will be displayed over here. You can see the appointment number, patient ID, patient name, date, appointment time, comment. You can see it over here. Next one is reports. So here you can view the patient report. First you need to give the patient ID, click on submit. That particular patient detail will be displayed over here. Patient ID I gave 112, his name is Mohan Das. So treatment number, appointment number, doctor, date and time, treatment fees, you can see it over here. Other reports like lab reports is displaying over here. You can see the lab test ID, treatment ID, test type, date, time and lab fees, you can see it over here. You can see any of the patient details by giving patient ID. Next one is timing. If you want to adjust any of the timing according to your needs, you can click on the timing and click on update timing. So this particular doctor will be available at this particular time. It will display to the patients as well as the admin. Next one is earnings. Here you can see the earnings from date to date, give, submit. You can see the earning amount. You can see the appointment ID, patient name, date, treatment and fees. You can see here, you can see the expenses and salary. Click on search. That particular expense will be shown here. And lastly, you can see the total expense. Total expenses, total salary paid to the employee can be seen over here. So this is about the doctor account. So this is how the patients, the doctor, the admin. This is about the clinic management system. Customization of the project is done by our team. If you like this video, please like, comment, share it with your friends. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.